Okay, for 956, they want us to look at these triangles on the right, and A says, are the two similar? How do you know? So for A, similar triangles again have the same shape, but potentially a different size. So if the angles are the same, then the shape is the same. So we can see that they each have a 32-degree angle and a 90-degree angle. So there's actually a theorem that says if two of the angles are the same, the triangles are similar. And the reason for that is because if two of the angles are the same, we know the third angle is the same also because they all have a measure of 180. So are the two triangles similar? Yes, right? And in geometry, you would say AA similarity, right? Which means angle-angle similarity. In this class, you would have to write out, since two of the angles are the same measure, the third angle is the same measure, and therefore, if all three angles are the same measure, the triangles have the same shape and are similar. Okay, so for B, find the value of x. So since they're similar, we know that the sides are proportional, right? So 8 centimeters over 24 centimeters, right? They're the same, they're the corresponding sides, must equal x over 15 centimeters, right? So in this case, we can reduce the left fraction, so 1/3 equals x over 15, right? So two ways, we can cross multiply, or we can just look. We multiplied by 5 in the denominator, which means we need to multiply by 5 in the numerator. So we get x equals, in this case, x equals 5 centimeters, right? So for C, it says, what's the scale factor, big over small? And we'll put that up here, right? Big over small, so the corresponding side, so 24 centimeters over 8, that's the big over the small, equals 3. So the scale factor is 3. And D, find the area of each triangle. Let's see if we can fit it here. Area of the smaller one is 1/2 base times height, right? Which equals 1/2, the base is 8. And the height is x, which is what we found, 5. So the area of the small comes out to be 20 centimeters squared. And the area of the larger one is 24 times 15, right? So the area comes out to be 1/2 of 24 is 12, times 15 is 180, right? 180 centimeters squared. And we can box those two areas.